Hey, yo, one thing I've always liked about AOHI, they are always coming up with something unique, and I haven't seen anything like this. Today we are checking out their 240 watt modular extension future-proof charging set. Yo, they said future-proof. They said if you pick this up, you are set for the future because that's what future-proof means. Anyways, yo, check out the detail of this box. The amount of work that went into this box is incredible. I wish we got presentations like this all the time. Right now, it seems like we buy all these expensive electronics and they just throw it to us in a paper bag. That's what we're on the verge of. So it's nice to see like the amount of work that went into this box. Yo, the detail is incredible. But so let's go ahead and open it up because it gets way better. So when you open it up, you can see at the top, they also have more detail. You can see it's for iPhone, iPad, iPod. It's Apple certified, 240 watts fast charging. I don't have anything that's capable of charging that fast at all, but yo, I gotta go looking for something now just to see if it actually works. But so everything basically revolves around these two cables right here. So this is the first one. It is type C to type C. Everything revolves around this cable and the Apple cable in the box. Now, I don't know why they decided that it couldn't be out here with the common cables. You know, it had to be in its own private VIP box, but apparently it's special. Let's go ahead and pull it out. And there you can see, there it is right here. Now, personally, I don't have, I think I have an iPad floating somewhere around here. I think it's a really old one, so may be able to test it out. But the cables are basically the same length. And so you have your type C to type C here, and then your type C to lightning right there. So like I said, everything revolves around these two cables. So personally, for this cable, I can see me like hooking this up when I'm out and about. We're at an amusement park or something and my phone is getting a little bit low. I would connect this to my charger, have my phone hooked up. You know, don't need a whole bunch of extra cable being just there when you could have something short like this. I think this is 3 inches, so it would be plenty enough to charge up, you know, when you're out and about. But then that's when things get interesting. So say you need just a little bit more cable. That is where this one would come in at. Now this one, how do I get this out? So the rest of it is underneath the box. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Now this is part 2. I've messed up the presentation. Oh man. But so now this is part 2. So it does come with like a little bit of cable management, so whatever you need. So simply, you would get the type C to type C. Each part, so this is where you will connect them at. So you simply just put this in, screw it up. You hear that? That is a quad. Yo, that sounds, let's see if I can put it up to the mic. That sounds so good. That is like a quality spin right there. Sounds really good, looks really good. And once it's connected, you can feel it's not going anywhere. And so that's how you can add some more length to it. And just like that, you have some more cable to work with. You can tell that this cable isn't gonna like get tangled up in any way. So this, if you need to charge your laptop, or you could put this next to the bedside table or something like that. Or even the same scenario, you need to charge up, you want to have the charger in your backpack or your back pocket or something like that, you have a little extra. But say that's still not enough. This is where the spring cable comes in at. So it does extend. That is it's the it's the Slinky Dog from Toy Story. So now you would, once that's disconnected, you put this side directly into here, like that, and then you still have this side available. So you take this one in, That just sounds so good. That like that metal on metal, that metallic sound. And so look at all of the extra cable you get. That is absolutely insane. Say you're going to a hotel or something, you're not familiar with how the room is set up. The cable could be on one side of the room, and I mean, you can stretch this to as far. It is super stretchable. The cable is very durable. You don't have to worry about anything like, you don't have to worry about stretching it out too far. This feels really incredible for a cable. And so also, like I said, this is just if you're using type C to type C. The type C to lightning cable, you'll just unscrew this part and then just wind it back up to the top right there. And then you can see, there goes your lightning port right there. If I can get my camera to focus, there goes your lightning port. And now you have all of this extra space. Let's go ahead and pause the video so you can see how far it really does reach. All right, so as you can see, I do have my Z Flip 4 plugged up right here. And now I am not close to the plug in any way. I have it extended. So here's the Z Flip 4 right here. If you look, we'll follow the cable. And you can see there it is across the room. It looks like the charger disappears into nothingness, but the plug is behind the curtain. If we follow it back to the table, you can see I am a good distance away from the plug, and this isn't even fully extended. So it's supposed to be able to extend up to about 8.5 feet. I would say currently I would have it about 6.5 feet, maybe 7 max. So not fully extended. It can go even further. So you don't have to be sitting right underneath a plug or anything like that. It doesn't feel or look as if the cable is anywhere close to its limits. They said, like I said, they say 8.5 feet. Would I go further? Probably not. But like I said, you may not know where the plug is. It could be on the other side of the bed or the other side of the room when you're in a hotel. You don't know where it is. This could be the fix for all of that. Now, the only thing that is holding this back, well, I have two dislikes. One, they didn't include a charger in the box. A charger in the box would help justify the price a little bit, but the price is gonna turn a lot of people off. Now, the last time I checked, the cheapest I found this for was around $85. And look, that's the cheapest I found it. That's gonna turn off more than 85% of people off top. But if you think about how many cables you throw away over the years, how many cables go bad, these have future-proof charging, like I said, up to 200, what was it, 240 watts? Yo, phones are getting faster and faster nowadays. No telling how fast phones will be able to charge in 2-3 years. They do promise that this is future-proof. Is the price a little high? Not even gonna front. It's a lot of high. And I guess as a dislike, I don't like this, the carry pouch. Is it the worst carry pouch? No, but I wish it was something a little bit sleeker. Everything will fit in here. I'm not putting anything in here. It does fit in here, but it would just be, it takes away the classy look of everything. This is just, I don't know what this is. It is what it is. But yeah, huge shout out to AOHI for sending this out to the channel for review. This cable is absolutely insane. This is definitely going to be added to my EDC, but that price, yo, look for it on sale however you can find it discounted, because this cable set is definitely worth it. Yo, I absolutely love this cable set, but that price, yo, that price got to come down. It's VDust Tech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.